Let me take you for a quick tour. We opened up the kitchen. This used to be a peninsula over here, but now it's all open. We've got tons of storage. I can go elbow deep all the way into here, and it shelves all the way up and drawers all the way down. Over here, we've got an appliance garage, which is really nice for our coffee in the morning. All our garbage, recycling, green bin is all organized. We've got a corner cabinet, and it has all our storage, easy to access. But one of the best parts about all this, all our spices, all utensils, all hidden away, perfect for cooking. And if we go this way into our laundry room, it's all refreshed, all brand new. We've got this lovely flooring, got a nice light green, bringing it all up. We've got this giant closet, which actually used to be our hallway that we'd have to walk to in order to get into this space. This doorway we walked through, that was thanks to Sosna's design team. There was a wall here that we removed. It looks like a standard living room, but what happened was this ceiling never existed before. This was actually 18 feet above. It was an open great room, and now we've closed it off, turning this house from a 3-bedroom into a 4. Let's go over this way to the new bedroom. This area here actually used to be a Juliet balcony looking down onto the living room, now that we can utilize for whatever we need. The last room of the house that they also renovated is our bathroom. So we got a whole brand new shower in here, phenomenal added storage for all our other needs, and we got a great new bathtub, phenomenal for us. Thank you, Sosna, for all you did.